How to become a host on Airbnb. So open the Airbnb app on your Android device, then tap on the profile option on the bottom right corner of your screen, then scroll down until you see an option called become a host. Then tap on it and here select what you would like to host. I'll select home, then tap on next. It will take a few moments to load, then tap on get started on the bottom. Simply tap on start on your own, then tap on next on the bottom right corner. Simply fill all the information that Airbnb asks you to fill. Then after you filled all the information, you can fill in your PIN code, then tap on looks good, and this is how you can become a host on Airbnb. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.